HPE Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First thing that I want to say with Hewlett Packard Enterprise is, like most of the things on my watch list, it is down. It's gone down quite hard. I've done well over, 37,000 videos on my YouTube channel, so I know specifically what to do in certain situations. I know what's making me money and what's not. With Hewlett Packard, I'm also aware that this is in a big correction phase. Like before, I was bullish on this market and it was delivering like crazy. So, at the time it was 18. I milked it up to like 24. And the one thing that will make me buy here is the shift, is the double break. And if I don't see that shift and nor that double break, I'm not going to be buying. So, if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. So, goodbye and enjoy.